After a year of growing fruit and vegetables, the Incredible Edibles competition has come to an end, and there was one clear winner.
Out of 1,600 schools and 44,000 students, Tarmon National School is #1.
Tarmon National School in Castlereagh, County Roscommon, proved that they had the greenest fingers as they took top prize.
We've been planting vegetables and we've been upcycling old gym equipment and painting it to plant flowers for the bees.
We grow potatoes, strawberries, lettuce and many other types of fruits and veg.
First you need seeds and you put it into the dirt, then you cover it with the dirt and you water it every day and it grows more and more. The carrots help your eyes and like other things help your hair and different vegetables help each thing.
It's good for the environment and it's good for our well-being.
The competition is all about keeping our young people healthy. As well as sowing and growing fruit and veg, they also learned how to cook with it. Tarmon also kept bees for honey and pollination, and chickens to learn where their food came from.
The bees are very important to our fruit and vegetables because they pollinate our flowers. If they didn't, our fruit and vegetables would not be able to grow.
We have a bit of an enterprise in the chickens at the minute. The hen sits on the eggs for 21 days and she turns them and they heat up. The egg is fertilised. You have to have a rooster to have chicks. An embryo is created once the hen starts sitting on them.
As part of the project, they've grown 7 incredible edibles, fruits and vegetables like potatoes, cabbage, carrots and onions. But the most important thing that they've been growing is themselves, and they've grown themselves into a bunch of champions.
Oh, yeah!